What questions are asked in company op board interviews? Buying into a co-op in New York City is different from purchasing other types of real estate. You're not buying the apartment itself, you're buying shares in a corporation that owns the building. With those shares comes the right to live in a specific unit, but only after you're approved by the co-op board. One of the final and most important steps is the board interview. These interviews are meant to determine if you're a good financial and personal fit for the building. Board members already have your financial records and application, but they still want to meet you in person. It's important to be prepared, and a lawyer can help you understand how to navigate the process. An attorney may offer insight into what to expect and how to handle unexpected or uncomfortable questions. What questions are asked in company op board interviews? Co-op boards often ask about your income, employment, lifestyle, and plans for the apartment. They may ask if your job is secure or why you're downsizing. Other common questions include how often you entertain guests, your renovation plans, or your reason for choosing the building. Boards may even ask what political party you belong to or how you spend your free time. These questions help them evaluate whether you'll fit the community. The board might also ask whether you plan to sublet, since most co-ops have strict subletting policies. While it can feel intrusive, your answers matter. Always keep responses calm, respectful, and in line with the board's expectations. While many of the questions are legal, a co-op board cannot ask anything that violates New York City's human rights laws. Questions about your religion, relationship status, country of origin, or plans to have children are off limits. If a question feels inappropriate, consult a lawyer after the interview. What is a company op board interview and how does it work? The interview typically comes after your financial documents have been reviewed and the board is ready to make a final decision. It's a critical step. How you present yourself could determine whether you're approved. To prepare, carefully review your entire application. Be ready to discuss financial statements, employment details, and personal references. Inconsistencies between your interview answers and what's on paper can raise red flags. Bringing a copy of your application can help, even if you don't refer to it. Dress conservatively, arrive early, and avoid interrupting your partner if you're interviewing as a couple. Rehearse potential questions in advance. If the topic of renovations comes up, keep your answers vague and avoid mentioning major projects. Boards are wary of disturbances. Don't ask your own questions unless invited, save any concerns for your attorney. Working with a law firm beforehand can give you confidence. A real estate attorney can review your application, guide your responses, and help you avoid missteps during the interview. Once you've reached the interview stage, you're close to approval. With the right preparation, you can leave a strong impression. If you're preparing for a co-op board interview, contact Sishodia PLLC at 833-616-4646 or visit us at 600 3rd Avenue, 2nd floor, New York, 10016, United States.